Hello everyone, welcome back to this Microsoft Excel tutorial journey with me on my Knowledge Factor YouTube channel. This is the 42nd session and we are going to start a new section today where we are going to use the insert menu of the Microsoft Excel. So during this section we are going to take a look at inserting various objects, whether it's images, shape, smart arts, various objects inside of Microsoft Excel document. The first one that we are going to take a look at here, very common, is inserting an image into an Excel worksheet. So take a look. Now to insert an image, I'm just going to go to my insert tab here. This is where you are going to find all the options. So insert there, right? We have got a section called illustrations. Now there are several different types of objects. If you see there, like I said, first of all we are going to take a look at an image. Now depending on what version of Microsoft Excel you are working with, there's going to be perhaps some minor differences in there. So let's take a look. The same idea applies in every version. So once I am on insert, underneath illustration, I'll go into my picture button, and here I have got options for this device. So this device means I could go and browse my computer. If you have a picture saved in your computer, then you can choose this device, go and select that image and insert the image. I've got stock images, so this allows me, and you see right there, unleash your imagination with premium content from the stock image library. So Microsoft has got thousands of images that you can pull from, right? I don't have a picture of Mr. Moneybags, right, for my monthly budget. Well, Microsoft may have one up there for you to pull from. And then I have got online pictures. So online picture use the Bing search engine. Microsoft Bing, it's a search engine to be able to go out and browse the web, and you can find images from there. Alright, so for me right now, let's see, I'm going to go and do online images. So let's open up my online images window. They have broken them up into categories, and like I said, it is powered by Microsoft Bing, Microsoft search engine tool there, and it will go out and search online for you and find images from website that are out in the World Wide Web, right? So I can search, I can type in keywords. Let's just say money bags, right? Now hit my enter key. Get that, go out there and search. Nice looking, right? All that money. All right, so scroll down through and you see there's quite a bit that come for me. Those look like some little money bags, right? So I don't know if I find one of them. You find one, whatever you want to pull from. I'll leave them up to you. I like the more cartoony looking ones, so I'll find one for me. So let's say there's so many to pull from. Let's go for this one right here. I like the white background in here, so I'm going to go and give that a click, and you see that it's now active. I'll hit the insert button, lower right corner of the screen. And there's my little image. Now because this did come from some online resource, right, some website out there through Bing, a Microsoft search engine tool, so it gave me a little bit of information about the author and copyright information that comes along with that. So I did drop in the text. If you don't want the text in there, you can select the box and just hit your delete button and it will get deleted. But I can grab that image and grab the corner of little circle there and resize that, because that's too big for me. What I want to do is I'm just going to place an image up here in the top left corner of the screen. So I'll just try to resize it and try to put it here. Right, so There you go, right there. And on my title, so insert image, really simple. Once again, to do, go to your insert tab, underneath your insert, I got a picture and I use the online picture. But if you got something local on your device, you can say this device and you can go search your hard drive, right? Got a folder of the images, perhaps ones that you have created or already downloaded or scanned in through your computer, whatever it might be, or snapped with your cell phone. You have got this device and you can go browse your computer hard drive for those images. But try this out. Use any options, whether your local hard drive or your online pictures or stock images, whatever, but just try this out. I use online images. Give it a go. Lots of images out there online for you to pick from. Alright, try this out. Thanks for watching this tutorial, and as I always say, if you really liked it and enjoying this journey, then please do like, share and subscribe my channel, and also press the bell icon to get the latest content update on this channel. Alright, then we'll meet up in the next session. In case you have any questions, any concerns, then do let me know in the comment section of this video. Till the time, goodbye and take care.